It's a bottom first floor apartment, condo, and it's extremely bright. You can see a lot of sunshine here. We have a closet when we walk in. Yeah, that's my stuff in there. And then you enter this beautiful living room. Look at this. It's completely renovated. The carpets are new. Here is the dining room connected to the kitchen. The kitchen has quartz countertops, shaker cabinets, white, and they are brand new. So that's when you enter. You have so much storage. So we have 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The corridor bathroom, I call it. It's a full bath with a bathtub. And then we have a linen closet here. Very useful. Then this is the guest room. I mean, gorgeous. Look at the sunlight coming through these windows. The owner apparently loved blue, as you can see. And this is the master bedroom, which is humongous. Beautiful windows, lots of light. It's a big room. Hello! And then we have a bathroom attached to it. It's smaller than the other one, however, it's sufficient. Again, new cabinet. There is a nice shower here. And there's one more thing I want to show you. And it is this amazing storage here. Usually you have just a closet like this, but in this place we have this much space, even there, and here additional rod. You can hang stuff in here. One more thing. Wait. You go through the kitchen and there is this. Okay, so these doors were just installed. These are beautiful, very good quality Anderson doors. And this is an additional room which is heated in the winter. Additional door leading back to this beautiful street. It's Orrington Lane in Rossmoor development. Gorgeous. If you know anybody who wants to live with your mom, your uncle, it's a 55+ community. It's gonna be live soon.